Hey everyone, it's Larry at Farelco here again. I just want to shoot a quick video in case you don't know how this process works, just to let you know what the process is to get your instrument cluster rebuilt or LEDs added or climate control units, whatever it is that you want us to do for you. How do you go about it? There's two main steps. Very easy. You go on our website and click on select my vehicle and place your order there. And then the second thing is you click on order information, print the order information sheet, fill it out, throw it in the box with the cluster and send it to us. So that's the quick version. A little bit longer version with explanation is first of all, an instrument cluster, for example, how do you get it out of your vehicle? We have videos right on the bottom of the main page of our website too, telling how to do that and remove your cluster and get it to us. Then again, like I said, you'll want to hit select my vehicle on the website and you'll see everything from Cadillac to Chevrolet to Ford to Isuzu to Volvo to Toyota, whatever it is that you have. Click on that, choose your make and model, click on that, and then it'll give you right there what it takes to get it done. And then you can pick your options, like I just want a straight up instrument cluster rebuild, or I want to rebuild that, I want to add red or green or blue or purple LEDs, or I want to replace the lens as well, or whatever. Whatever the options are that you want, and it'll show you the pricing right there. You can click on it, place your order, and pay right there. Then you'll be prompted to print the order information sheet. If for some reason you missed that prompt or didn't see it or something like that, or click past it, some people do. On any page of the website up in the nav bar, it says order information, and you click on that and that'll give you the option to print that. So page 1 of that order information sheet has all of the instructions. It tells you how to ship to us, gives you the address right up on top and everything like that. Page number 2 is for you to fill out with all of your information. Of course, your return address so we get it back to the right place. And then a little bit of information about your vehicle and the trouble that you're having. And that's it. So that page 2 you stick right in the box with your cluster or climate control unit or whatever it is, and you send it off to us. Now within 24 hours of us receiving that unit, we're going to have it rebuilt and right back out the door. That's our claim to fame, 24 hours. So it'll be on its way back to you. And that's it. You send it in, we take it from there, rebuild it, and shoot it right back to you. 100% guarantee our work, and we take pride in what we do. We enjoy it. So that's really it. That's how the process works. So that's it. Happy to have all your business. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, everybody.